Okay, guys, a historic day today. Let's start as we go at 8 o'clock. Why 8 o'clock? What 8 is very, very good in Chinese. What, right? What? This is going to be the year. This is going to be the year of prosperity. This is going to be the year of money for us, the smaller investors, where we can actually dream about being millionaires. And this is like the millionaire week. I'm just going to show you the formulation for being a millionaire, a ringgit millionaire. And then tomorrow you will see this. I want you to take note of this at 7 p.m. tomorrow here. 1 million. Guys, this is actions to wealth. Do you see this? Actions to wealth, 1 million. You are at the right place. Don't go anywhere, okay? Don't go to others. Do you see that 1 million profits, actions to wealth? And it is the right time for us to plan on this, okay? And why do we do this again? What is our rallying call, guys? What is our rallying call? I am possible. Hold the line, right? I am possible. Hold the line. And you got to be saying that. If not, I don't know, you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. I just show you how it is that, when you're doing this, I am looking forward, okay? It's called like what? It's called front running liquidity. That is my job. And I'll show you an example of this. But before that, look at that Bitcoin. It is over 50,000. It is already 51,000. If I'm not mistaken, for it to be 1 trillion, it's got to be like 54,000, almost there. Ethereum is back up above 1,800 after being dumped yesterday, right? Everything is like a pump and dump. There is Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, and there is DOT, another all-time high. And there is our favorite Kusama again, going up again. What have we been telling you about Kusama? Kusama is the hot thing, right? Why is this so? Look at that. Let's go here. Ethereum, let's go here. Do we have the news on Kusama? Kusama, well, it is going up basically because the parachains are opening. The parachains to Kusama, to the DOT ecosystem are opening. This is why the dots are so hot. And quiz question, you should know the answer, guys. Who saw this before anyone else? Me. Why? Because I am possible, okay? Want you guys to know that I saw this, and now it is so hot that my students are essentially minting money out of this, okay? So let's go here. But look at this, okay? Bitcoin hits a new high of 51.3K as an analyst declares parabolic advance. Let's look at what's happening here, okay? It just decided to go over 50K, okay? It was like around 50K and then not 50K, like the 20K, right? It was around 20K, but not 20K. And then it was dumped like 20%. So yesterday it kind of like made like 50K, but it was not 50K in all exchanges. Then it got dumped, but today it has made that past 51.3K or whatever it is. Probably, I don't know what it is now, okay? So there it is, historic day, historic day. Tuesday had seen Bitcoin, gone for 50,000 for the first time ever, but failing to hold in a matter of minutes. So rare. There is a log scale history. So we are living in a historic moment, guys. If we do not make a lot of money now, we might never see this moment again. If we don't dream of being millionaires, we don't see this moment again. Again, it's a step. First, I want you to dream of being a ringgit millionaire, 250,000 US. Then you can dream of being a millionaire. But we are talking about millionaires all over the place. We are talking about ringgit millionaires, Singapore dollar millionaires, Aussie dollar millionaires, New Zealand dollar millionaires, and finally, US dollar millionaires. And ATW has achieved that. So this is so cool. I mean, this is so cool because look at this. The government is about to print 1.9 trillion. What will happen? Are you taking advantage of it? Are you in crypto? Now, some of you have said, no, I'm not comfortable. I'm in crypto. I want to be in something else. Okay, I will give you an alternative today. Because as I said to you, that crypto is about the industry, right? Crypto is not only about cryptocurrencies. Crypto is not only about trading. Crypto is the entire industry. And my job is to front run, to see these things before you do. To see it before you do. Your job is to say, I am possible. Hold the line, right? Hold the line. Follow me and just hold that line, okay? So let's see what's happening in a totally different world, okay? There is another different world other than crypto. This is what I want you guys to know. And we're going to go early into this session because, man, there's so much thing we want to cover. I am going to confuse you again. I am going to confuse you again. I am not going to make any apology for confusing you, because if you do not work at being unconfused, is there such a word in English? I don't know. Then, my friend, you could be actually giving up on $1 million or 1 million ringgit. How do you like that? That's a question for you to ask. So if you are confused, I want you to go tonight and read, okay, to be unconfused, because next week on Wednesday, we are going to have an AMA session. Hopefully you guys are unconfused so we can move forward in the art of making money rather than, I'm confused. This is so confusing. There's so many things to do. We don't have time for that, guys. We only have time to make money. So what's going on here? Look at this. Don't look at all this. Don't look at all this. I know some of you are crypto haters. That's okay. We forgive you. Look at this. Over 100 million in crypto collectible NFTs sold in the last 30 days. Can you believe that? The top shots is the top one. Look at that. Hash mash to CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks is another one. We'll see what this is all about. They are selling like hotcakes. Look at that. These are non-fungible tokens. Okay, so let's see. Let's go where we can see the non-fungible tokens, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go here. I am gonna go here to my, am I gonna see my favorite non-fungible token? There it is, there it is. This is like a non-fungible token. In fact, this is like my favorite non-fungible token, although there's nothing. It's like a card, okay? It's like a card, it's like a collectible. And you know, nowadays, as the value of the US dollar goes down, people want something that has a store of value. It's not only Bitcoin, it's not only gold, it's also cards like this, and this is going to drive you wild. So we could have a card like this that bears Jeff and the Tasmanian devil, and there could only be 10 cards. Now, in the real world, you know what happens? This can be copied, right? But if it goes on the blockchain, on the cryptocurrency blockchain, these are unique. There are only 10 in the world. And if Jeff becomes a superstar, the Grandpa Jeff Orbit Slingshot, that becomes a superstar, guess what? This is something of value, and you can have it on your crypto wallet. So you still need crypto wallets. All you don't like cryptos, right? Cool, right? Cool, right? And look at this, running Bitcoin. This drawing here, look at that. Sold for like $7,000. Look at that. $7,000, this art. How many of you guys know? How many of you guys know this? How many of you guys know Gary V? Gary Vaynerchuk. I mean, I see a lot of people in Malaysia, they're crazy about Gary V, right? They are crazy about Gary V. Wait, I have a question here. How to buy actual Dogecoin? You can buy it in Binance, my friend, but listen to this. That Dogecoin, this is gonna blow you away. You know, why do you want to buy Dogecoin? You can buy NFTs, okay? Anyway, look at this. Gary V has tweeted NFT, non-fungible token. He is a regular guy. The NFT, you guys know, resides on the blockchain, on the crypto blockchain. So this is a space where normal people, because people have been saying, yeah, some of them have been like you, oh, it's so hard, it's so difficult to do. I get it, I get it. Look, the normal folks are coming in. They are not trading currencies, right? They are looking at NFTs. Look at that. Let me show you something else that's very, very surprising. Let's go here, okay? So I have some news here on NFTs here. Look at that. Let's look at this, okay? Christie's, also Christie's. Oh my God, Christie's. Look at that. They are also going to sell NFTs. Who are the investors? Look at that. Elon Musk and Chamath Palihapitiya. This guy is a famous Bitcoin investor. One of the most famous. He bought it in its early days. He is very, very rich. And when he came into crypto, he chose the NFT route. Remember that. There are many things you can do in crypto. It is not only about trading. It is not only about Dogecoin or Bitcoin or Ethereum. I will show you something that is going to blow your mind away, okay? So listen up, guys. No, before that, say, I am possible, because this is going to blow you away. In fact, I'm going to even tell you what this price may go to. You may think I'm crazy. It's okay. I am crazy. Look at this. You guys know Mark Cuban? So, you know, Mark Cuban is a billionaire. He's very famous. He was, he made a lot of money during the 1999, 2000 dot-com boom. It's like he sold all his holdings before the market crashed, right? So he became very, very rich, right? Mark Cuban, look at this. Do you guys like to tweet? Who of you guys like to tweet? Mark Cuban, look at this, is selling NFTs of his tweets. Can you believe that? That if you become famous and you are Twitter, you can do that. That if you become famous, you are in Instagram. Do you know that you can mint that Instagram as an NFT and sell it? It's a collectible card of you. Do you realize that? Look at that. I am so surprised. And he is actually working with people called what? People called CryptoPunks. And look at this. Paolo Maldini, you guys in soccer, you know, right? Paolo Maldini, Italian captain. Oh, 76ers, billionaires, all of this. And look at the companies here. Okay, look at that. I just want to show you this. This is so amazing. Look, billionaire Mark Cuban sells tokenized tweet as an Ethereum NFT. So if you like his tweet, you can probably buy this. How much did it cost? I'm going to show you. Has sold the tokenized version of this tweet for $952. This is an NFT platform. I'm sorry, you guys still have to know crypto, okay? You still have to know the wallets. You might not want to trade. That is fine. You don't have to trade, okay? But you have to know how to use a wallet. They had bids ranging from $77 to $777. And this guy purchased it for $952 US. Isn't that amazing, right? Like what's going on here, okay? Something is clearly going on. A tweet of Mark Cuban is actually worth 1,000 US, almost 1,000 US dollars. That, my friends, is super incredible. This is a new world, okay? It sits just beside the crypto world, but you guys need crypto to do this because it makes your NFT unique. For example, there's only one. You cannot copy this tweet. You can't. That's why it's so expensive, okay? Another one, let me look at this, the blockcrypto.com. What do you say? Okay, this is the number one application. You guys know NBA, right? Top Shot, get out. So the number one is Top Shot, legendary drop. Drop means they give NFTs away. So guys, I want you to make sure one day we might just announce we are dropping what? We are dropping that NFT. Make sure you get it. Okay, make sure you get it. I will make it happen, guys. I am gonna make it happen. Seriously, okay? So again, this is where is our Top Shot? Man, I lost the Top Shots thing, right? I was so excited I lost the Top Shots thing. Anyway, look at this. People are just lining up. 25,000 users participated in NBA's Top Shot. Would you have liked to own this? What would you do? Type down, right? What would you do if you could own this? If you could own the hottest company that is doing the NBA Top Shot, what could you do? Because you know now it's too late, right? It is too late. You say, oh no, it's too late. It's gone up several hundred times. What has happened, right? What has happened? How can I get in? I wish I were there. Well, look, look. Okay, so it's announced by Dapper Labs, best known for its Ethereum D app, called CryptoKitties, announced that the NBA Top Shot blockchain app was available. They had to do it on a new blockchain because right? You guys know that the Ethereum blockchain is so expensive. It is not cool, man. I wanted to unstake something from the Ethereum blockchain today. It's called Mantra DAO. The gas fees are like $2,500, which is not good because the value of my token is only like $3,800. That is so not cool. So look at that. They receive, look at this. They raised 12 million for the project, and then they started this project. Now they are actually the hottest company, okay? Look at that. Top Shot, legendary drop. Remember that NBA is the USA, okay? I don't know. I don't think they have anything for the NFL yet. It would be cool if they have something for Tom Brady, right? Because he is the GOAT. He is the greatest of all time. He went from the New England Patriots to the what? To the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and suddenly the Tampa Bay Buccaneers have won the championship. Look at this. LeBron James video sold for $71,455. What do you think? Do you think the company this is doing very well? I want you to ask your question. I want you to ask one question in your head, okay? You see this happening now. This is February 2021. Now, I want you to say this. What is the company that is doing this? How do you think the company doing this? Is it doing very well? It must be, right? How would you like it if you could have a stake in this company? Does it sound like a dream? Because you know that once it comes out like this, for sure, this company will fly. Like, how would you like a stake in this company? Is it even possible? Is it even possible? Because you just saw that Actions to Wealth now has $1 million trader. Could you be a millionaire, ringgit or US dollar, if you owned this company? Is it? Now, if you like that, why don't you press the like button, and why don't you share this video with your friends, okay? Because I want you to say, I am possible. I'm going to show you something now. Keep that in mind, okay? Because this is, it's a cool thing, right? If you can get something in early, guess what? You guys are like the venture capital. Sports cards now have become a multi-million-dollar alternative investment. Amazing, right? Millions of dollars on a single sports card. I think the most valuable one is Michael Jordan. Yeah, LeBron James. I don't know who this. Giannis Antetokounmpo. What is that? I don't know how to say this, right? 2 basketball cards sold for 1.8 million. Are you guys saying that LeBron James is the GOAT and not Michael Jordan? I didn't know that, okay? Look at that. The basketball cards, look at that. And now they're on the blockchain. They are non-fungible tokens. So you can bring it around on your handphone, right? You can bring it around on your handphone. You can trade that, okay? You can trade that, okay? And look at that. Yeah, awesome, right? Let's go in further. Look at this. Wall Street. Oh, no. Wall Street. Can you believe this? Wall Street, guys, Wall Street. You thought this was my game, right? You thought that, hey, what is he doing? I thought he's a crypto expert. I thought he is a crypto expert. What is he doing showing us funny pictures? What is he doing showing us that? Okay, and if you guys were in the ATW week, I was showing you my NFTs, like my collection of NFTs. They're very nice cartoons, okay? I love them, okay? Let me tell you why I was showing that to you, because these things make money, either through the cards, okay? Either through the cards, or if you own the company that makes the cards. You get me there? It's 2 things. You can do 2 things, okay? Sometimes I like to own the company that makes the cards, okay? But look at this. Wall Street is doing it. Look at that. Michael Jordan rookie basketball card sold for a record $738,000. It went for $215,000 just weeks before. Isn't that like crypto? Isn't that like crypto? Hey, some of you own crypto, right? You saw this alt rally, right? Guys, there's another rally. It's called the NFT rally, okay? That's going on in conjunction with this. Now, isn't that great? Isn't that great? It is the most awesome thing, right? Let's go some more. Let's go some more, because you guys want to know, how do you make money? I'm going to show you something. Don't fall off your chair and don't be envious, okay? Don't be envious. Look at this now. Look at this. NBA top shot crypto kitties firm Dapper Labs raises $250 million at a $2 billion valuation, okay? So this is very important because they have already $100 million in NFT sales, according to the report. So now they are raising capital. They're raising more equity capital. And they were the first one. Remember, they were the first one with crypto kitties. Okay, and they raised $250 million at a valuation of about $2 billion. I want you to put this in this equation because we want to calculate something tonight, okay? Let us have fun and calculate something tonight. Now that 250 to 2 billion is how much? I have to put this green, okay? I'm going to put this green. It's times 8. Am I correct? It is times 8, okay? Correct, right? Can you guys calculate? It is times 8, right? It's times 8. And look at the funding round led by, I don't know how to say it, Couture Management, billionaire investor Philippe Lafont. Yes, who already invested in Airtable, Instacart. You guys know this, Spotify, Bitmain. Bitmain is the Bitcoin mining, right? And other well-known companies. And NBA Top Shot is now the most popular non-fungible token, Dapper Labs. Let's look at how they are doing, okay? I want you to show this. Oh, look at that. Dapper Labs, NBA Top Shot, sales. Okay, look at the blockchain it's running on, okay? Just I just want to show you something here. It is running on a new blockchain called Flow. The rest are running on Ethereum. Expensive. Let me put this green here, okay? This is good. It is new. It is cheap, right? It is good. That's why, look, 63 million. This is Ethereum. Look at that, Ethereum, right? This is Wax, okay? You can go look it up. This is Wax. You can go and look up Wax on CoinMarketCap. This is Ethereum. Now, imagine one day if, because now Dapper Lab is raising fund, right? Imagine one day if Dapper Labs were used in all of this. What do you think would happen to Dapper Labs? That Dapper Labs here, the Flow blockchain actually became the industry standard, okay? It becomes the industry standard of the NFT world. It will be like the Ethereum, okay? The Ethereum of blockchains. So, you know, Ethereum has a problem because it's so expensive. There's a company called Avogotche, it's Ghost, okay? I can look at the ticker symbol is Ghost. Ghost could not launch, GHST. Ghost could not launch in January, their gaming, because Ethereum is so expensive. So I expect that more and more people will go into Dapper Labs, and new organization like NFL, they want to go fast. Looking at this, where do you think they would go? Do you think they will go here? Do you think they will go here? Do you think they will go here? I don't think so. I think they would go here. I think they would go here. Flow, my friends. So let me show you something that is not a fantasy, because you say, yeah la, you theory la, like professor la, spec also like professor, right? You tell us this la, you tell us that, can you get or not? You are talk only la. I know, you're saying that, right? Show us the proof. Show us the money. I am possible. Let me show you something. Let me show you something here. Look at that. Okay, the truth is, guess what, guys? You know what the truth is? Dapper Labs actually came out with a sale, okay? Let me find that thing. Dapper Labs came out with a sale last year. I'm going to show you something. Just don't be envious of me, okay? Don't be envious of me. Do you guys have a calculator ready? Do you guys have a calculator ready to go? Let me find something here. I'm going to find something here. This is from my wallet. There it is. That is how much flow I have. Then you say, yala, you bought very expensive, ma. How much you bought it at? You bought it 100. Yeah, you guys are going to say that, right? I'm going to show you something else here. I'm going to show you to a place called okay, let's go to ICO drops, okay? Let us go to ICO drops and let us go to flow. Oh, flow. Let us find ICO drops. Let us find flow in ICO drops, okay? Let it take its time to do it, because ICO drops basically has all these. Oh, here it is. Where is it? Flow. Oh, flow. Flow. So flow is the blockchain here. Look, they only had like 19 million, 19.5 million only at that time. Look at this, guys. Look at this. La. The price, what was the price, guys? The price was actually 10 cents, okay? Look at the returns here, 178.6 times. Now, I'm going to show you this, 178.6 times, okay? So, I want you to look at this now. What is this? What is this? Because I have to show it to you, okay? Because hey, at Actions Well, we don't do theory, we do real stuff, okay? Can you time this by like 176 times? Can you just times that by like 176 times? Because I'm gonna times that by 176 times, okay? I am gonna do that. Let me do this and times it by 176 times, okay? You guys can do it also, okay? You guys can do it also. Let me do this. I'm just doing this, okay? 9985 times 176. Whatever it is. Look, 9985, yeah, 99. If this was actually 1,000, okay? This was actually 1,000. This cost 1,000 US dollars times 176 times means 176,000 US dollars, okay? That means when flow, because I think flow is like what? Let's see what flow is, okay? Let's see what flow is. And then I'm just going to blow your mind, okay? I'm just going to blow your mind, and I'm just going to go here and put here flow. Let's go flow here. Flow, 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 flow. Let's go flow. Yeah. Flow, Dapper Labs, right? 176,000 US dollars. So my 1,000 has become 176,000. Yeah, it's about there, right? 17.81. That means if flow goes to 25, guess what, guys? If flow goes to $25, 1,000 US dollars times $25, which is 250 times, okay? Guess what? This is worth 250,000 US. And those who followed me into flow will be ringgit millionaires. Can you see the calculation? Ringgit millionaires. Now let me blow you else away. Let me blow you something based on facts. I don't like fantasies, okay? I do not like fantasies. So you get a ringgit Malaysia millionaire, right? Hola! Yeah, that's Spanish, okay? I don't know Chinese. Chinese, well, what do you guys say? The Spanish say that. I think it is cool, right? Now, next, I want to show you something. What do you think the price will go to? What do you think? Let's do another calculation again. I'm going to do this calculation for you. Again, this cost me about 1,000 US. Well, it was a 985, but I can't calculate. Okay, I can't calculate that. So initially, it cost me this, okay? So I already told you that what happened here. Dapper Labs has raised this at a 2 billion valuation. What did we agree just now? This was 8 times, right? So let's go back here. Let's kind of go back here. Do we have this here? No, we have this here. Yeah, let's go back here. Or let's go back. Yeah, let's kind of go back here. Okay, never mind. We go here, okay? So again. So 1,000 US dollars here. Okay, look at that. Community sale and all of that. Look at that. There, 10 cents, right? 10 cents. So I got it at 10 cents. 10 cents, 1,000, you know. So 10,000 is 1,000. Next, where can this go? Let me show you something. So we agreed that now flow is worth 8 times more, correct? Now, there was something similar to this in 2017. It was a company called Naga. Okay, the company was called Naga, okay? And Naga had something like this too. It had something on the blockchain. It had a token on the blockchain. Plus, it also had something else on the blockchain. What was this something else on the blockchain? This was the share. No, share was not on the blockchain. It was an IPO, right? The IPO of Naga went up 5 times, and the token went up 5 times. So if we are at a valuation of 8, what do you think this could theoretically go to? Okay, let's take $17 times 8. I'm just going to take this like that. Now let's go and do this calculation, okay? I am going to do this calculation now. $17 times 8. 17 times 8. And maybe a year, maybe it will take a year. This will be like 136. Now, $136, okay? 136. Is that it? 136. That is 17. Yeah, what is $17 now? So at $17, it is 170,000. At $136, guys, what is this? This will be 1.360 million US. Did I get that right? Yeah, I think I got that right. So there it is, guys. Is it possible to become a US millionaire? Yes, it is. One token, just one, on this Dapper Labs. Wow, guys, look at the performance here. It is the king. Yes, do you understand now that this, right? At $17 or 17.8, it went up 178 times. At $136, it will go up 1,360 times. Hence, this would be worth 1.360 million US dollars just from one. And that is my job, guys. It's to tell you that there's so many things in crypto, because on Saturday, you guys know we have class, right? I want you to see this. Please follow this tomorrow, because now, guess what? We are a group of millionaire traders. Do you understand that? We are a group of millionaire traders. How do we become millionaires? I am possible. Hold the line, right? Say that again. What if this becomes 1.3, 1,360,000 US dollars? That's about, I don't know how much is that, 6 million ringgit. How would you like that? So ATW will have a class on Saturday. Are you going to miss it? Are you going to miss it? Because I won't miss it. I would say, I am possible. Hold the line. I am going to that class on Saturday. And that is the show for today, guys. Bye and sweet dreams.